Hello everyone, in this video we will solve the numerical based on equation of motion. So this is the first question. A bus starting from rest moves with a uniform acceleration of 0.1 meter per second square for 2 minutes. Find the speed acquired and the distance traveled. So first of all understand this question, जिसमें ये गिवन है कि बस स्टार्ट हो रही है रेस्ट से. तो रेस्ट का मतलब है उसकी इनिशियल वेलोसिटी जीरो हुई, देन 0.1 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर यूनिट से आपको पता लगेगा कि ये एक्सेलरेशन गिवन है, एंड टाइम इज 2 मिनट्स जिसे आपको सेकेंड में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर आपको न्यूमेरिकल में यूनिट सेम रखनी है, ठीक है. देन यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द स्पीड एंड द डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल. सो हियर u is 0 because it is at rest. Acceleration is given to you. Time is 2 minutes which you will convert in second. That is 2 into 1 minute में 60 seconds होते हैं, तो total हो जाएगा 120 seconds. Then we have to find out and the distance we have to find out. Now by using this we know that by first equation v is equal to u plus at. Now in this case we have the three variable with us. We have u, we have a, we have t, so we can easily find out v here. So initial value 0, acceleration is 0.1 into 120, so answer comes out to be 12 meter per second. This is the velocity here. Now the second part is to determine the distance. For the distance there are two equations of motion. S is equal to ut plus half at square एंड v स्क्वायर माइनस u स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 2as. तो हम इन दोनों इक्वेशन में से किसी भी एक इक्वेशन को यूज़ करके फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. नाउ फॉर एग्जांपल इफ आई एम यूजिंग द लास्ट वन हेयर, सो v स्क्वायर इज 12 इंटू 12 माइनस 0 2 a हेयर इज 0.1 एंड सेकेंड वी हैव टू डिस्टेंस वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. सो इट विल बी 0.2 12 इंटू 12 144. तो 144 divided by 0.2 seconds. Then so now the answer will be here 720 meter. Now this can be easily find out by the second equation also. S u is 0 plus half, what is a here, 0.1, what is t square here, that is 120 into 120. So if we solve it, it will be 0.1 divided by 2 into 14400. So यहाँ पे 10 आया नीचे, 0 से 0 कैंसिल हुआ, इट अगेन कम्स आउट टू बी 720. तो अगर आप सेकेंड इक्वेशन यूज़ करते हैं तब भी सेम आंसर आएगा, थर्ड इक्वेशन यूज़ करते हैं तब भी सेम आएगा. इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट आपको ये आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि क्वेश्चन में गिवन क्या है, एंड बाय यूजिंग विच इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन यू कैन सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन. Now the next question here is, the train is traveling at a speed of 90 km per hour. Brakes are applied so it produces a uniform acceleration of minus 0.5 meter per second square. Find how far the train will go before it brought to a rest. So first thing, what is given here? Initial speed which is 90 km per hour. And now since brakes are applied, then this acceleration is retardation which is given here, 0 minus of 0.5. Now the next point, we have to find out the distance when it is brought to rest, and brought to rest means final velocity is 0. So what is given here? So initial speed u given here is 90 km per hour. So we will convert it into a meter per second. That is 90 into kilometer means 1000 and hour means 3600. So again we will cancel out like this, 400 by 4, that is 25 meter per second is the initial speed. Acceleration is given. दिस टाइम क्वेश्चन में ही माइनस गिवन है, अदरवाइज अगर ब्रेक्स अप्लाई हुई हैं देन यू हैव टू टेक द रिटार्डेशन एंड एक्सेलरेशन विल बी इन नेगेटिव. एंड v is 0. Now we have to calculate the s here. So we know that v square minus u square equal to 2as, that is distance here, तो v square is given to you 0, u square is minus, that is 25 into 25, 2a is given to minus of 0.5, and s you have to find out. So this minus minus will cancel out. This will become 625 divided by 5 to a 10, that is 1 here. So distance comes out to be 625 meter. You must write the unit also. So answer here is 625 meter is the distance travelled. Now next question here is, a trolley while going down an inclined plane has an acceleration of 2 centimeter per second square. What will be its velocity 3 seconds after the start? So what is given here? Now the first thing given here is acceleration, which is 2 centimeter per second square. So first of all we have to convert it into a meter per second, that is 2 divided by 100, because in case of centimeter we have to only change the meter here. So it comes out to be 0.02 meter per second square. So this is the first thing which is given in the question, that is the acceleration. Now the second part here is, it is moving down the hill and we have to find out the velocity after 3 seconds, that is time is given to you 3 seconds and you have to find out the velocity, final velocity, and after the start, which means the initial velocity here is 0. So this is simplest by the first equation of motion, that is v is equal to u plus at. V we have to find out, u given here 0 plus a given here 0.02, time is 3 seconds here. So answer comes out to be 0.06 meter per second, or we can say 6 centimeter per second. So I am just repeating again, a trolley is moving down the inclined plane, has an acceleration of 2 centimeter per second square, and we have to find out its velocity after 3 seconds of its start. Since it is given from its starts, which means u here is 0. The next question here is, a racing car has a uniform acceleration of 4 meter per second square. What will it cover in 10 seconds after a start? Now again here it is given, that is after the start, which means u here is 0 and already acceleration is given, that is 4 meter per second square, and the second thing here is time is given to you 10 seconds, and again we have to find out what will be the distance, which means we have to find out s here. Now no final velocity is given here and we have to find out the s. So first equation is v is equal to u plus at. It cannot be applicable here because s is not in this equation. So s is in the second equation, s is equal to ut plus half at square, and yes, all the variable are given to you. S 0 into 10, it comes out to be 0, plus half 4, 10 into 10, 10 square, that is 100. So this will be 0 here, this will be 2 to a 4, answer comes out to be 200 meter. So question here is, a racing car has a uniform acceleration of 4 meter per second square. What will be the distance, which means s, it will cover 10 seconds, that is time is given as 10 seconds, and after the start, which means u is 0. So whenever you solve the question, first write the given part here. A stone is thrown in vertically upward direction with a velocity of 5 meter per second. If the acceleration of stone during its motion is 10 meter per second square in the downward direction, what will be the height attained by the stone and how much time will it take to reach there? So first thing, since the thrown is thrown upwards with a velocity, which means u is given to you. Second point, acceleration is acting towards in the downward direction, where movement is in the upward direction. Now first of all we will write what is given in the question. So given that ball is thrown vertically upward with a speed, that is u is given to you 5 meter per second and acceleration is -10. Now why -10? Because it is acting in the downward direction, whereas ball is moving in the upward direction. Then we have to find out at what time it reach above or at what height it will rise, and v here becomes 0. Now why this condition occur? Because when we throw anything in the upward direction, after reaching some height, we can say some distance, the balls comes to रेस्ट, दैट इज इट्स फाइनल वेलोसिटी विल बिकम 0. जैसे ही हम बॉल को ऊपर फेंकेंगे एक टाइम ऐसा आएगा कि बॉल रुक जाएगी, तो वो रुकने वाली पोजीशन पे ही वो एक हाइट अटेन करेगी, एंड दैट इज व्हाई द फाइनल वेलोसिटी टेकन हियर इज 0. सो फर्स्ट थिंग, फॉर फाइंडिंग डिस्टेंस वी कैन यूज द थर्ड इक्वेशन ऑफ इक्वेशन v square minus u square equal to 2as, v here 0, u here 5 into 5 25, 2 into -10 into s, minus to minus sign cancel, comes out to be 25 by 20, s comes out to be 1.25 meter. Now if we have to find out the time here, we can use the first equation of motion, v is equal to u plus at. अब इस इक्वेशन, अब हमारे पास 3 इक्वेशन है, s इज इक्वल टू यू टी प्लस हाफ एटी स्क्वायर, इससे भी हम फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं, बट मोर इजीली ये रहेगा क्योंकि इसमें एक वेरिएबल तो 0 हो गया, एक 5 गिवन है, a आपको पता ही है -10, t जस्ट आप इसको अपोजिट साइड लेके गए तो -5 इज इक्वल टू -10t, माइनस से माइनस कैंसिल हुआ, 5/10 इज 1/2t और इट कम्स आउट टू बी 0.5 सेकेंड.